Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. I see the mate Jadsax, the saxophone instructor, right here in this channel. In case you've not subscribed to this channel, I need you to subscribe to this channel. Alright, turn on the bell notifications as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops in this channel. Alright, guess what? I'm going to be teaching on Dorian licks and applications. It's not just about you knowing how to play Dorian licks. The most important thing there is how to rightly apply it. So I'm going to be talking about some licks today on the Dorian mode and how to apply them. Alright? Now, first you need to remember your Dorian mode to be what? Do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, do. With a flattened third and a flattened seventh. Alright? So which you have to be what? That is your Dorian mode. Do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, do, do, la, fa, mo, re, do. Do, re, mo, fa, sol, la, do, do, la, fa, mo, re, do. That is your Dorian mode. Okay? And just like I said we're going to be discussing on Dorian licks and their applications. Alright? Now, we're going to list out some Dorian licks before we go straight into the application. First on this series we have is what? Alright? Now the first lick I have there is what? So, fa, so, mo, re, do, to, la, so, do. So, fa, so, mo, re, do, to, la, so, do. Right? This is it. And the second on the list is what? Well, it's to be what? Do, re, mo, fa, so, mo, re, do, to, la, so, do. Do, re, mo, fa, so, mo, re, do, to, la, so, do. Okay. This is do, re, mo, fa, so, mo, re, do, to, la, so, do. And the third we have on the series is what? This is what? So, re, mo, fa, so, do, to, la, so. So, re, mo, fa, so, do, to, la, so. Alright? So, re, mo, fa, so, do, to, la, so. Let me take it again. So, re, mo, fa, so, do, to, la, so. Next on the series is what? This is not so, la, to, la, so, re, mo, fa, so, la, do, so. This is it. And the next you have on the series is what? This is re, do, so, to, la, so, fa, so, mo, re. Re, do, so, to, la, so, fa, fa sol mo re. Re do sol do la sol fa sol mo re. This is it, right? Or you can play re do sol do la sol fa sol mo re. Or you can play re do sol do la sol fa mo re. All right. Now there will not be sol before the mo. All right. So you have it as what? And the next you have is it is this is do re mo fa sol do la sol re do. Do re mo fa sol do la sol re do. Do re mo fa sol do la sol re do. Right? So you have okay. All right, and the next you have is this. This is what? Fa sol la sol fa mo re do la sol fa. Fa sol la sol fa mo re do la sol fa. All right, let me take this gradually, slowly. Do la sol fa. And the next you have is this. Okay, this is do re mo fa sol mo re do la sol do. Do re mo fa sol mo re do la sol do. Right, let me take it slowly. Alright, and the next we have is this. This is do sol la sol fa sol mo re do. Do sol la sol fa sol mo re do. In the same vein, you can play something like this, like do sol la sol fa mo re do. Do sol la sol fa mo re do. The first was what? But now we are playing what? And next we have is okay. This is sol do la sol re mo fa sol. All right. This is it. Okay, and you can at the same time have this same lick in this order by playing sol do la sol re mo fa sol. You double the note, right? So do la sol re mo fa sol. All right, like this. And the next I'm going to consider with this series is this. La sol do fa mo re do la sol. La sol do fa mo re do la sol, right? Alright, so la sol do fa mo re do la sol. La sol do fa mo re do la sol, right? Like this. And the next we're going to consider is this. on the Dorian mode, you're going to consider something like this again. Alright, this is Sol, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, La, Do, Do. Alright, I'm going to take it slowly. Alright, and now is the right time for us to apply our Dorian licks. Okay, and we'll be applying this on a song titled Blessed Assurance. Okay, now if you've not known how to apply licks, I think you will definitely need to go and watch those tutorials on my channel. Alright, but meanwhile, for the sake of this class, I will be picking my licks from my landing notes. Okay, if I'm landing on Sol, I'm going to be picking my lick from the Sol. If I'm landing on Do, I'm going to be picking it from the Do. If I'm landing on Re, I'm going to be picking it from the Re. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Alright, Mi, Re, Do, Sol, Sol, Fa, Sol, La, Sol, Sol, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Ti, Ti, La, Ti, Ti, Do, Re, Do, Sol, La, 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 Sol, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Do, Re, Ti, Do, Sol, 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 Do, Sol, La, 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 Sol, Sol, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Ti, Ti, La, Ti, Ti, Do, Re, Do, Sol, La, 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 Sol, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Do, Re, Ti, Do. Okay, now here how we're going to apply those licks that we've learned in the past on this very song, Blessed Assurance. I just play Sol, Fa, Sol, Mo, Re, Do, To, La, Sol. Right? Now, this Sol, Fa, Sol, Mo, Re, Do, To, La, Sol replace or substitute the second Sol of Mi, Re, Do, Sa, Sa. Now, have that. Pa, da, 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 da. Alright? So, Do, So, Do, La, Sol, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, Fa, Sol. Now, so, Fa, Sol, La, Sol, da, 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 da. Okay, you remember that lick? That's the one I use now. Alright? Now, and again, I can still play another lick again by playing. Alright? So, Do, La, Sol, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do, Sol. Or I can do So, Do, La, Sol, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Do, Sol. Alright? Alright, I play. Okay? Now let me play from the beginning to that part so that we get it clear. So, Mi, Sol, La, Do. So, Mi, Sol, La, Do. Now, at the point of Do now, I will now play Do, Sol, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Mo, Re, Do. I cannot play Do, Sol, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Mo, Re, Do. Can you hear that? Now, Ti, Ti, La, Ti. I don't have any note on the 7th degree here in my Dorian scale or here in my Dorian mode. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything there. Now the next is what? You see that? Ti, do, re, do, so, and I play Sol, Re, Mo, Fa, Sol, Do, Do, La, Sol. Okay. Then La, 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 Sol. So, La, Do, La, Sol, Do, Fa, Mo, Re, Do, To, La, Sol. Alright? Can you hear this? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Re, and I play what? Re, Do, Sol, Do, La, Sol, Fa, Sol, Mo, Re. Okay? it though. Can you hear that? This is how you apply some of these things. Let me go and take it from the beginning. Alright, so that is how to apply Dorian Mode on a Blessed Assurance. I look forward to you working much on those licks and try to apply them to as many songs as possible. Thank you. Please, in case if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly make sure you do, and hit on the like button, drop some comment on the comment section, as that will go a long way to motivate me in dropping more tutorials. Alright, and for your intensive one-on-one saxophone training course, you are free to reach out to me by calling the number +234 81 44 058 513. Alright, in this session it's going to be only you and I, where we will work so much on any of the problems you are facing on the saxophone, be you a beginner or an intermediate player. Alright, thank you for staying tuned.